Hello students, continuation of previous one. Okay, now if the sum is this type, sum number 3, a cube minus 12a minus 16. Now like previous one, 19x minus 30, like previous one, here 12, I have to make it multiple of 12. So 12 was a 12, 12 2s are 24. Here I am making 24. So how much I am adding? 8. Clear? 8 I am adding, so it is becoming 24 minus 8. So here also I have to adjust by plus 8. Clear? Now it is in that form, a cube plus 2 cube. And minus 12 you take common, a plus 2. Here a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and then this. Again I am telling, if you want you will show here one more step. A plus 2 common, it is a square minus 2a plus 4 minus 12. Then a square minus 2a minus 8. Again you have to check whether middle term is possible or not. For 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 and minus 2, this 2 will come, yes, possible. So a square minus 4a plus 2a minus 8. In all the sums you will check whether a further middle term is possible or not. If you will not show that middle term, then you will not get full marks. You will not get all the factors. These are the factors. Clear? Now next one. Till now I have done by using cubic formula as it was possible. Now if the sum is this type, you see, if the sum is like this, number 6, 4a cube minus 9a square plus 3a plus 2. There are 4 terms instead of 3. Clear? So in this case, by using cubic formula it is not possible. Then we will apply vanishing method or zero factor method. What is this? I have to put, this is the variable a, I have to put, by trial and error method I have to find out. First I will put plus 1, a equals to plus 1. In rough you have to show, if I will put a equals to plus 1, then whole this expression is coming 0 or not. So a equals to plus 1 means 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 and minus 9. Yes, 9 minus 9, 0 is coming. How? By putting a equals to plus 1. Clear? So your one factor will be a minus 1. If by putting a equals to minus 1 the whole expression will become 0, then your factor will, one factor will be a plus 1. Clear? By trial and error method you have to find out. By putting forward value of a, of here a, there may be x or y. By forward value of the variable, the whole expression is becoming 0. You have to find out in right hand side. So here you write, by putting this sentence must, by putting a equals to 1, the expression becomes 0. Therefore, one factor is a minus 1. This is the rule of vanishing method or zero factor method. Now a minus 1 will be one factor. So I have to adjust in this way. See, there is 4a cube, write down the first term, write as it is. Now minus 1, now 1 less power of a. If I take 4a square common, it will become a minus 1. Here I have taken 4a square, but there is 9a square. Clear? So minus is 5a square is left. Now minus 5 minus 4, it is coming minus 9. A square term is over. Now again you have to take something common so that you will get a minus 1. So it is 5a square. So if I will take here 5a, now see, minus 5a take common, then it is becoming a minus 1, but there is plus 3a. By force I have written 5a, so I have to adjust that by subtracting minus 2a. 5a minus 2a plus 3, and the last constant term as it is. Now see, I am explaining once more. By putting a equals to 1, the expression is becoming 0. So your one factor is a minus 1. Now I have to rearrange the expression in such a way that when we will take common, then a minus 1 factor is coming. Now see, 4a cube. Now the next term, if I write 4a square, from here if I take 4a square common, then see, I am getting a minus 1. Clear? But there is 9a square. I have taken only 4a square. So minus 5a square is left. Clear? This is written. Now again from next term, it will be such that from here something we have to take common so that a minus 1 will come. So 5a square is there. So if I write it as 5a, now see, minus 5a, if I take common, I am getting a minus 1. But there is 3a. I have written 5a. So I have to adjust how? By minus 2a, subtracting of 2a. So 5a minus 2a, 3a. Adjusted, all the terms adjusted. And last one, that constant term, write as it is. Now up to this I have done, then minus 2 take common, a minus 1. Now see, one factor is coming, a minus 1. Clear? Now this is minus 5a minus 2. Then I have told you that you have to check here whether middle term is possible or not. 4 2s are 8. From 8 you have to bring 5. It is not possible. From 8, what are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 may be 2 2 2 or 4 and 2, 2 2 2 or 4 and 2 or 8 and 1. By using this you will get, never you will get 5. So our factorization is completed here. Clear? This is called vanishing method or zero factor method. Clear? Now I am showing you another one. Now see, by same process, that is sum number 8 in your book. 5a cube plus 11a square plus 4a minus 2. Now what will be your first step? You have to put a equals to something. First plus 1, then minus 1, then plus 2, minus 2, etc. in this way. So plus 1, here 3 terms are plus. So by putting plus 1, it will not become 0. So think about minus 1. If I put a equals to minus 1, check. It is coming minus 5. It is coming plus 11, minus 4, minus 2. So 5, 9, 11. Yes, it is coming 0. So by putting a equals to minus 1, the expression becomes 0. Therefore, one factor will be a plus 1. Clear? Then I have to rearrange this expression. Now it is easier. 5a cube, a plus 1. So 5a square. Clear? But there is 11. So I have taken only 5. So 6a square adjusted. Clear? Then 6a. But there is 4a. So you subtract 2a and the last constant term as it is. Now 5a square take common, it is a plus 1 plus 6a take common, a plus 1 minus 2 take common, a plus 1. So we are getting one factor as a plus 1. So next step, a plus 1 5a square plus 6a minus 2. Again we have to check whether middle term is possible or not. 5 2s are 10. So by using 5 and 2, 6 will not come. So this is our answer. Clear? Next one you will get in next video.